So we will talk about E23 option fault slot A. Cause like E23 option A fault slot A typically occurs when there is an issue with option card module in this particular slot. Okay, you have like option modules and option card. So there is the issue into that. Inspect the option card slot for a damage, like that is not damage. And you can do one thing, you can power off and on your VFD. If the problem same, then remove and replace the option card. Like you can try with the another card and check. Like into another card also its problem is coming. Inspect motor driven equipment, issue prior clearing any fault. Use this following instruction to reset this. Like press AS3, then press reset, and then F007 to press 4. It will be clear. So these things will help you if still your problem is not resolved. What you can do, you can contact to your supplier who has supplied you your VFD. So he will repair it. Like your VFD might be issue into the slot of the VFD side. So this will be resolved like this. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. I will help you to resolve your issue and checking. I can provide you one PDF that will be what on very minimum charge, but that will help you to resolve your future upcoming issues, and it will help you like to get complete training about the VFD.